In this video, I will show you how to upload public audio to Roblox. So the process is easy. Just open a browser and go to creator.roblox.com. Make sure to just log in to your creator dashboard or account. Once you do so, here on this left panel, you'll have to go and click on creations. That should take you right here. So from here, you can go and click as an example on this development items. Once you do so here, you'll find many things. Just go and click on audio. And you would like here to upload in assets. As simple as that to upload a public audio to Roblox. So click on upload in assets. Here you'll have to choose the assets. It's an audio. And here you will have to upload it. As simple as that. As an example, let's just say it's one of those. Here is it. You can give it a description, give it a name. So as an example for me, I'm just going to name it like a test public audio. And for description, you can put whatever you want. I'm just going to keep it audio and I'm going to hit the upload button. And keep in mind that the audio uploads must be less than 7 minutes and the max size per file or per upload should be only 20 megabytes. So more than 7 minutes or more than 20 megabytes cannot be uploaded. You'll have to keep that in mind. And sometimes the upload might get rejected. As an example, probably it's because copyrighted or moderated content, or maybe the audio is private only, so you have some account limitations, or maybe there's some inappropriate or copyright audio, or basically there's some Roblox permission restrictions. That's why you may not be able to upload. But normally, if you have clean audio, public audio, you'll be able to upload it with no problem. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.